Whole lot of gang. Whole lot of gang shit. We don't sit. We don't sit.
One at a time.
We don't sit. Yeah, we don't sit. Your mama. Pull up. Pull back. I'm out here. You know, TBG Gorilla Gang. Long live G Money. I'ma talk my shit. I don't hide behind money. Cause I ain't got that much. So I'm in the field. Can't be.
You ain't come down here paying no turkeys out. You ain't come out here and paying no toys out. Fredo, you good red?
Ain't nobody giving out no toys or no turkeys till you good slimed out, opt out. If your favorite rapper ain't doing it, oh well. Man, you scared to even come out your house, man, but steady trying to diss on Instagram. Tell Instagram that got you living in fear. And I stamped that. Don't know nothing about 12. Dog and no sneaking. Dog and yeah, I've been thugging.
Now I know what everybody's thinking. 4.5 minutes with no speaking, no real audio. That's because I thought we would let TBG Osama speak for itself. Now you gotta understand, when I say the overall biggest stepper in Baton Rouge, I don't mean the person with the biggest overall body count, because that person probably sitting in a parish somewhere, because that's some type of serial killer or something. You feel me? What I mean is the person you probably don't want to play with most overall, because this dude is one of them dudes who don't really enjoy the limelight like that. He like to play the background. Trust me, How many people have we really heard play with Osama? Not too many. Ben 10 slightly, and then he got shut down. Or what about recently, most recently with Boosie's affiliate, China Rated Kid, or however you say that man's name. But then he immediately got shut down. He quickly told him, 7 put them hands on you in the parish. And then, you know, extra things went on I ain't gonna speak on, but you know what? In reality, that situation got shot down just as quickly as it sprang up. And it didn't start out as a situation of China Rated Kid going at Osama. It started out as him going at FredoBang. And Roy Black, better known as TBG Osama, did what he was supposed to do as a real homeboy and had his homeboys back. Because Fredo's in such a big position that he can't respond to everything directly. That hurts his character in front of the media. You feel me? That gives people clout who don't really deserve it. So, Osama being the smart street dude that he is, understanding that dude is trying to get clout off of this, and if Fredo responds to it, it's just gonna blow it up even bigger. He went ahead and clapped back for his boy. And I feel like China Ray, just watching the whole incident, kind of knew that he was way out of his league playing with this dude. Nobody plays with this dude.
I guess the joke's on you now, stupid nigga. Pocket change, talking about show you some paper. On you, leech y'all. Stop playing me, boy. And you know, beating your scare ass up in that parish all down F Wayne. Nigga, stop fucking playing me, boy. Fuck pocket change ain't even counted for this, boy. And ain't none of that fraud shit what you niggas. Tell your partner go pick his uncle up. Go put some flowers on.
Ooh-wee, that boy got real disrespectful with him. Got on his hammy and showed him the bag that he said he wanted to see. Said he wanted to see 10 bands. That man dropped him 10 bands.
You know 7 had you sleep on side them racks. Stuck they finger all in your ass to wake you up. Stop playing with it, man.
Oh, no, man. They stuck their finger in that man. Man, they took your manhood, bro. That ain't cool at all, bro. I hope my boy 7 didn't do that. But you see right here, 7 Hardaway second that and said, yeah, man, basically it did happen, bro. But let's move on.
Go f your head all the way up. You got caught at the red light.
With your head in that phone.
Yeah, with your head was right in the phone. I said, look, Osama.
No, I just pointed it to you.
Oh, you yeah?
Go back to your live. I'm watching.
Head was all in that phone.
I know someone got hit, but it wasn't mine.
Okay, seafood pasta.
Yes, man.
Show like the YouTube and stuff.
Little vlog or something. It's my shit, man.
Pull up on my block, you know what I'm saying? No security. Man, stop playing.
Hold the shot.
We don't play with no Osama here, man. What Big Draco say? Man, lay down law, man. See when I'm here. You?
Play when I'm out here.
With it,
It's all about who got the longest. It's all about who got the longest win. You heard me?
You know we don't get some.
Yeah, we ain't doing no crime about it. We sliding about it, baby.
We sliding about it, baby. Yeah.
Most definitely.
Already. But yeah, I hit his partner up.
Oh man.
Who next, man? What up? We going all night, man. We
thugging tonight. You heard me? What's happening? What's happening? Get on. You might get famous.
you know, we trying to stand up in your face with it. I sent the man out. Did y'all send him out good or what? You know, what kind of cast them raw is how y'all sent him out, bro? I heard he got hit over 20 times. That's a harsh way, bro. That's a lot of shots, man. I heard it was like over 20 times, man. I think he went out in the cardboard box too. What, how y'all was posting a man and couldn't bury him? Oh, they say that what your man smelled like when his fat ass was on that ground burning. Oh, man, you know you doing fraud, bro. We know old girl whatchamacallit them done put you on. If it wasn't for corona epidemic, you would never, I'm done talking to you, bro. Just get together, man, and then try to stand on side of a like me, you heard me? Like, for real, son, like, you can't with a like me, dog. You can't, dog.
As y'all can see, my boy TBG Osama is the man, the myth, the legend in Baton Rouge. You see how he talk? He talk like a man that can hold weight, a man that got authority. You know what I mean? If the world didn't really know FredoBang is the forefront, you would kind of think that it was TBG Osama just by the way he carry himself. But in general, man, like all of them kind of carry themselves in like their own boss mentality. And like Seven said, man, you know, they all their own bosses. You know what I'm saying? They all do their own thing. You know, he's just a more lyrical one. That's what Seven said out of his own mouth. And that's the one that the landlord, Cleasy 5, left in charge, you know, of the street side of everything. And I guess Boulevard Bubba was in charge of the business side or whatever. Maybe I might have that mixed up. You know, Boulevard Bubba might not have been the one, but I know Seven is the one in charge of the street side. He's the one that's up in rank. That's why he came out on his new mixtape and was saying that he was up in rank. You feel me? But yeah, Osama definitely is the Slim Reaper, the Grim Reaper. You know, that boogeyman down there in Baton Rouge. But this is part 1. Y'all tune in for part 2. I made this a 3-part series, and we still gonna do 7 harder ways. We got Boulevard Mills coming, Lit Yoshi. You know, we got a lot of them coming. So like, share, and subscribe, and let me know that y'all want another one. Believe that.